Apas ko rin ano.
Apas ko siya.
Iya apa?
Kung anong gigaan na ito. Sige na, picture na ni Mami. Kasi kung gigaan na ba? Picture na ni. Tuliya, magpa-picture ka na lang. Tuliya, picture ka dyan, oh.
Padman. Ano raw, daghan kayo. Scarlet is this? Picture lang takan. Tara. Di na to.
Tingin ko yan, smile ko yan. Jalo, tingin ka doon. Dala.
Yan na, picture tayo. Picture siya.
Tiguang.
Dala siya tulog.
Dolo.
Crocodile. Saan nang ilahang sa umbi?
Kruk. Manok kruk.
Sabi nila na ano pagkaon. Kay manok man na ilang ginakaon di ba di?
Ayo, namugi green na green.
Luya gid silang mata eh kay bisag ang gamay oh ina mama mata. Luya ba luya. Dahon ra gid ilang kaon no na iyang iharong.
Di ba na dahon doon na? Fried chicken manalo na.
Oh lagi. Fried chicken para nila.
These are the toxins we sell. Architas antelope because their size is just like that. They won't grow any bigger
I
than
forgot.
standard size. But despite being small, they can run 60 kilometers per hour. So they're
Why you
small but
forgot?
they're- And then on the left side is our fastest antelope, and these are the Impala. They can run 90 kilometers per hour.
Kuha eh. Nandiyan ako naglakaw na.
Tiger.
Ben and Cancer.
Ben and Ken?
Yes, boss.
So both ano sila, both here.
So by the way, ma'am and sir, if you are wondering why they are called white lions when they are not totally white, it's because they are not albinos. White lion has a genetic condition called diocesum. It means the partial loss of pigmentation in their body, resulting in pale or nearly white color in appearance.
He's just chilling in the cold mud.
And as you can see, they are resting right now because these two white lions are nocturnal. They are more active and aggressive during the nighttime and lesser movement or resting during the daytime. So they can sleep, sit, and rest 16 to 20 hours a day. So we all know that lions are carnivores, so they mainly eat meat, and here they are feed raw chicken and beef, 5 to 8 kilos per lion a day.
How are they fed? They brought here?
No sir, the keeper will give them their food for the inside of holding facility area.
How are they brought there?
They call them through whistle, sir.
They follow?
Yes.
Oh.
Yung nataat,
No, don't touch.
magkagatan yung si Turtle.
Yes.
Slow yan si Turtle mag-walk. Alright.